VA Mastery is a training program that provides education and support to individuals who want to start or improve their careers as virtual assistants. Through our extensive learning materials, engaging video tutorials, expert interviews, and practical tips, we aim to equip you with the knowledge and tools you need to thrive in this dynamic field. We have developed the following virtual assistant programs to help you take your virtual assistant career to the next level. 1. Virtual Assistant Mastery Signature Course. This is our flagship program, a 9-module self-paced signature course that is designed to help you understand the basics of being a successful virtual assistant. It will help you develop the skills needed to work as a virtual assistant and provide you with a strong foundation to build on. The course will cover a range of VA topics, among them: setting up a business, branding, finding and working with clients, how to market your services, and more. You will also learn about the best practices for online communication, job search techniques, the right tools for the job, and strategies to help you stay organized. So don't wait any longer, sign up today. 2. Virtual Assistant Coach Lab, our one-on-one coaching sessions. The Virtual Assistant Coach Lab cater to your unique needs. Whether you're starting out, improving your skills, or boosting your productivity, our coaching is customized for you. So why should you book your sessions with our VA Coach Lab? 1. Accelerated growth. Benefit from the wisdom of someone who's been through it all. With a coach, you'll avoid common pitfalls and fast-track your progress. 2. Accountability partner. Stay accountable to your goals and commitments. I'll be your cheerleader, motivating you to strive for excellence every step of the way. 3. Tailored guidance. Unlike generic online courses, my coaching is customized to address your specific needs, making it much more effective and results-oriented. 4. Ongoing support. Even after our sessions end, you won't be left hanging. I'm committed to your success, and you can always reach out for guidance whenever you need it. 5. Inspiration and encouragement. Embarking on a new venture can be challenging, but with me as your coach, you'll have a constant source of inspiration and encouragement. Seize the opportunity now to elevate your virtual assistant journey to unmatched heights. Book now, and let's embark on this incredible adventure together. Now is the time to take action and start your journey towards an exciting and fulfilling career. Together, let us master the art of virtual assistant. See you in